Alright, it turned on while I was on the highway. Made it down though. Made it to the parking lot. Focus. The accelerator, or not acceleration, the hitting the throttle is rough. Then it evens itself out. I don't understand. That's me doing that. There it goes. Oh, it almost died right there. I'm gonna cut it off. Look. What the hell? It's like it wants to die so bad, but I'm forcing it to stay. See what it does. See, and then it cuts off. I don't know. I don't understand, dude. I don't understand, man. I need help here. And it'll drive. God. Excuse me. It'll drive fine now. Until I notice when I get on it more, you know, that's when it'll come back on again. Like, let me see here. Go past that stoplight and then we'll see. Seeing if it'll come back on. Shit, let me not speed too much. There's a cop right above. See, it doesn't want to come back on. Alright, I couldn't get it to come back on the way home just because I'm down the street. But if you guys have this issue or know how to fix this issue, have had the same problem I have, just let me know in the comments, because I'm kind of stuck. I've changed just a list of things. I'll listen to the description or make a comment on everything I've changed all type of stuff. It just hasn't fixed it, man. See, it's idling smooth now. Yeah, if you guys got any suggestions, leave it in the comments. Appreciate it.